Hello and welcome to another AIC video. A little bit of an update on my XJ Wagoneer. I've done a little bit of work to it, not a ton. First things first is I went ahead and installed my Smittybilt bumper. If you're looking to do this, I'll say that it's a lot easier than I expected it to be. So if you're intimidated by it, don't be. I was able to do it and I'm an idiot. So anybody who has half a brain and a little bit of skill can do it if I can do it. So I did run into a couple of things I thought I'd mention. I haven't installed these yet. It comes with plates to go here on the side. Still considering if I'm going to install those or not. But if I go up under the Jeep, excuse me, I have this factory metal skid plate and I wanted to retain it. The problem is we come up under here. This, I haven't hooked up my tailpipe yet. This here is the bracket that holds the bumper on. And with the skid plate for the gas tank there, it's not, that skid plate is too wide. It pushes out this bracket too much. And so I had to squeeze that together. I used a couple of tie downs and grabbed the top of it and squished it together so that way it would fit. So I was able to retain my skid plate for my gas tank. I haven't decided what I'm going to do about that. That's the wiring for the trailer harness. What I'm thinking of doing is drilling a hole right here maybe into the bumper to install that, but I haven't decided yet. I also haven't decided what I'm going to do about my license plate, because obviously it can't be behind the tire there. The light for it's broken anyways. I need to fix that, but I got to do something about that. So there's some license plate relocation kits. I'd move it here, and that's probably what I'll do. Seems the easiest thing to do. And what I've been working on the last couple days is replacing the axle shaft. So this is an 89, and 89 they had a vacuum hub system or vacuum system for the four-wheel drive, that if that vacuum system fails on you for any reason, then your four-wheel drive doesn't work. So I was going to go ahead and do a delete for that. But as I was doing this work, you look right there, you'll notice something, or you'll notice the lack of something, which is the vacuum disconnect. I never actually looked to see, I just assumed. And so I bought a whole kit to do the vacuum delete, and it's totally 100% unnecessary. However, let's go into the garage. Oh, and they're better on this side, but my brake lines are completely shot, so I have new brake lines coming. These ones are trashed. So one reason I haven't been driving this is the brakes on it are kind of scary. Excuse my garage, it is a disaster as I've been working on all this stuff. I have new wheel bearings here and there. You saw that installed. So here are the old axle shafts and the new ones. And one of the things that I'm doing with this kit, as well as my goal to get rid of the vacuum system, was to upgrade the what is it called, the U-joint knuckle here. You can see how much more metal is on the new one versus the old one, and that's because these are a stronger design. If you go down here, same back here, there's kind of a weak point here that will break on you off-road. They've added more metal there. So it's also, I believe this also is just a millimeter or two thicker as well than that. So I'm going to still install these because it is a stronger overall design than the old design. So I'm still doing that, but I have a disconnect delete kit that I need to sell to somebody. I'll probably sell them the old axle shafts and that kit for, a couple $100, half of what I paid for these. But I do have one problem, because I'm an idiot, is I broke my U-joint installing it. So I guess one of the little wheels or the little cylinders that's in here, somehow when I was putting it in, slid and I didn't notice. And I was sitting like this back here, and as I was putting these in, it just popped this off. So no good. I have a new one coming, but it'll be a couple days before it's here. So this project is on hold. Yay. That's an update. Just plugging along. Yesterday it was still 106, 107. Today it's supposed to be like 104. So it's cooling down a little bit, but it's still hot. So it's about 9:30, 10 o'clock now. So I've been working since 6 o'clock this morning. So I'm gonna put it on pause probably today and pick this up when that new U-joint comes in a couple days. So that is my update. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, leave those down in the comment section down below. Do my best to answer those. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.